You got the bride seats in there, nice.
A little bit dirty. Are you never driving in the rain of my truck?
So we bought my wife a new car.
Nice.
I had my Jetta, and the Army would pay to ship one of them. So it was either sell my Jetta or pay $1,000 to ship my Jetta, or sell it and get a new car. And I looked at it like, I could get a BRZ for that kind of, for the money that we have saved up. So to ship it.
Check on, check.
So, how much did it cost to get this thing boosted?
It's not boosted.
Oh, it just has that cold air in the front there?
Yeah, it's just a cold air intake. It's
okay, nice. So, you still had to tune it for that though, right? No?
It's just a cold air intake that goes through the front bumper.
Ah, what's that run?
I think I paid like $200 for
nice.
that. And it's pairing, so it's,
Did it give you any more power or anything, or just better sound?
Sounds a lot better.
Just sounds better?
You hear a lot more air going through it.
Nice. I got the same motor, so I was thinking about doing the same. Well, similar motor. I got the 2012 Impreza, which has the FB20 as well.
Yeah.
But
I thought I'd bring my Scion. Everything else says Subaru except that.
yeah, hey, it's the same car.
Yeah, exactly. Same motor, same body, same parts.
The Scion, the GR, and the BRZ are all the same car.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all the exact same car.
That's nice. I got that in the disabled parking up there. Is my little Slowbie.
Yeah.
But,
this is all NA.
I got about 1,000 miles. I just rebuilt mine. I still have the burning of the oil though. That's the part that sucks.
I haven't ran into any engine
yeah.
burn.
Well, these came out after they fixed that issue,
Yeah.
I believe.
I know I had to rebuild the top side of it with my camshaft housing. Gasket was bad, but that's all I've really.
They're really easy to work on. I mean,
yeah,
getting it pulled out and put back in was super simple. I just had to buy that tool for the cams on this side.
Yeah, once you get past all the plastic on the top side, it's really easy.
Yeah, I replaced my chain, everything. So
yeah, they're nice cars.
Yeah.
I need to fix all the blue, make it red.
Yeah, mine's black and red. Yeah, it's nice though. Oh yeah, you got the. I thought about doing that with my Slowbie.
Well, I got a ticket from a cop for not having my plate, so I had to put.
Yeah, they don't allow you to put them in the windows anymore. I hear either.
After wasted space last couple weeks ago, cops have been really picky about what you can do in your car.
Well, I'm lucky. I live on the coast, so I don't have any of that problem.
Care.
Yeah. Nice lip too.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for sharing.
What's the other titanium brand? Like JDC?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Oh, you know they do make a turbo kit for these that just bolts on.
Yeah, I'm thinking
it's like $5 grand though.
Well, I found one from Alvin, the guy with the yellow.
Oh, okay.
Over there. He has one that he might sell me, but I just put bags on it, so I'm.
Oh yeah, I want to do that so bad. I need new wheels though. First, I got the stock ones still.
Yeah, I need new wheels. I bought them with these on it. They're kind of trash.
Yeah.
I don't care about cleaning them because they just get dirty again.
Oh, I thought Josh. Have a good one. Oh, carbon fiber.
Oh, I've already
going.
It's pretty good. I love the hood. Love the hood.
Fresh.
Yeah.
This thing was totaled like a year ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, got rear-ended at a stoplight.
Dang.
Got pushed into the car in front of me.
Ah. Well, at least you got it back. That's good.
Man, it was not easy. But
No. They like to total them because they got the unibody, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The guy that hit me was in a 2019 Premium WRX.
Oh, damn.
Playing on his phone.
Damn. Oh. Black and red. Whoa. Black and gold. Nice. Whoa. Crazy.
But this is like push it, it's like want it to go right away.
Yeah. That's cool. Well, that's good to hear. I hear a lot of people say that. It's power is a lot more.
Nice.
Should have brought my little baby. I've got a Chihuahua Corgio.
Yeah. I had to bring one of the two. I got a pit mix at home too, but
Me too.
I couldn't do them both today.
Yeah, I got
So I'm
a
having
Pitney
hip
Foster
problem.
mix.
Oh, mine's I don't know, she's too many to explain mix.
She's just chilling. I love it.
These are all the.
Oh wow. She's
So-
definitely got a good mix.
Oh, she's hyper as heck.
Oh, I bet. She's so sweet.
Love what you've done.
Thank you.
That's the sister right there.
Oh, pretty baby.
Yeah. Figured I'd bring the old girl instead of the little puppy.
Fair.
Done a lot of work. It's nice.
Thank you.
You know how fast it is?
She's gone up to like 240.
240?
Yeah, she's got 428 horsepower.
Dang. That's nice.
She may not be the prettiest
Oh, you
one
got the
here, but she's a
Mishimoto.
sleeper.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do to my Slowbie. I'm gonna put a, I'm gonna put a WRX motor in it, and then I'm gonna keep the flat hood so it still looks like the Impreza. Make it a true sleeper.
There you go.
I just gotta find a good wrecked one first. Yeah.
It
This is the first
definitely
time I've seen.
happens
It's the first time I've seen the Mishimoto. You like this?
often. Yeah,
Okay.
she's been pretty reliable.
On our 05 Blaubai, I bought the Mishimoto tank, but I was thinking about getting the radiator too because the tank's so much better. Those break too easy. It was the first thing that broke when I started working on it.
Really?
These right here snap.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, because they get old, brittle. Oh, nice air separator there. See, that's cool. So you got cold air going from the throttle body and separated, huh? That is quite the setup.
Thank you.
Did you do all the work yourself?
No, Subi Tech built it.
Oh, okay.
I originally had a Jeep and I manual swapped and everything.
Nice.
She was a frickin' beast.
Thanks for sharing. I wonder. Have a good one. Ah, she's beautiful. Sorry. White.
Nice, nice.
What's giving away some stuff?
I do. I've got a couple of hats left and then some
I'll
coloring
take a hat.
books for the kiddos.
I always do hats, thanks. If you don't mind. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Nice moisture wicking material, stretch fit, the whole bit.
Thank you.
No! Another GP? Are you kidding me? More lifted Outback? That's my favorite.
I have a Slowbie. Mine's the one in the front, the red and black one.
Nice, nice.
I was thinking about lifting it. My son keeps telling me to lower it, but
Yeah.
I want it lifted.
I don't know. You can go wherever your heart desires.
Right, right. Our WRX is like this far off the ground, so we gotta have one that goes up.
Exactly. You could have both sides. That's the way to go.
Man. She is pretty.